Gicunjĩ kia 14 kia watho ukoni ithurano nigikiriire mukana atongoria a kiuteti aria maracaria iturwa cia utongoria kuhuthira indo cia muingi micemano-ini ya kiuteti kana kambi-ini cia kwimathira kura. Ona kuhanura uguo, kamitii ya kuhuranira ihoto cia muingi yugite kuri na atongoria a kiuteti makoretwo makihuthira mbeca, ngari oro undu umwe na indo ngurani cia thirikari gutwarithia nambere kambi-ini ciao mbere ya githurano kia mweri wa kanana.
The Commission further notes with concern the use of government-registered vehicles and public-funded programs such as the Women Empowerment Fund and the Constituency Development Fund in campaigns, contrary to the Election Offences Act. The Commission has documented 47 cases of misuse of public resources.
Kuhitukira muikariri giti wayo Roslyn Odede, kamitii ino oho yugite kuri na ciiko cia tharikira na mikana kuri maabithaa honge-ini cia thirikari ta kamitii ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC oro undu umwe na ruhonge rwa EACC ni undu wa kwaga kuhitukia amwe a ahuraniri a iturwa itiganite cia kiuteti.
The Commission considers unfortunate the blatant and scathing attacks on the IEBC and the EACC and other election monitoring bodies.
Kamitii ino ikoretwo igicokaniriria mamwe ma maundu maria mangihinga muingi gukinyaniria wigiririki na kihoto kiao kia wikia wa kura githurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana, uhaguku wa ugitiri kaunti-ini ta Lamu, Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet na Nakuru ukigwitwo gukorwo ari kihinga kinene.
A fact-finding mission by the Commission in the counties along the Kerio Valley belt in the Rift Valley region. The Commission notes with concern that there is an ongoing displacement and involuntary movement of persons out of the affected areas, with the potential of affecting the voting patterns and the ability of the citizenry to cast their votes.
Gatagati ka mweri wa keri na mweri wa gatano, kamitii ino yugite andu 8 moragirwo ngahiha-ini iria cirikuruhanio na kambi-ini cia githurano iri koretwo igithie na mbere.
April in Bombambu area of Kisii County, an aspirant for the MCA seat was attacked in his home by unknown assailants and he also passed away. In May, there was a banditry attack at the border of Marahuthira and Baringo East that resulted in the death of a primary school teacher.
Magi maria magwetetwo ni kamitii ino ni ateti kuheana mahaki magicaria kura guthutukanio kwa andu aria mari mawathe hamwe na arutwo gukorwo makihuthika micemano-ini ya kiuteti. Kamitii ino ikienda honge cia thirikari guthingatithia watho ukoni ithurano niguo kugitira ihoto cia muingi kuria ikoretwo ikiagararwo. Handu-ini ha Kamitii TV Jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.